Hello everyone, welcome to Grainchat. The topic we are going to bring on the discussion table today is how to protect store grain from weevils.
We welcome again the storage expert from FrigorTec in Germany, Dr. Claus Braunbeck. Klaus, the grain industry has one major issue when it comes to storage. It is the weevil danger and the infestation control. What can you tell us about tackling this issue?
Thank you for this important topic. Around 80% of the post-harvest loss worldwide is caused by insects at the grain industry. It must be taken serious and doesn't allow any neglect.
So what are the solutions to manage and keep weevils away?
Indeed, keeping out is already the first step, as the design and arrangement of the storage solution must consider exclusion at beginning. Exclusion focuses on how to keep pests away from the stored grain. The surrounding of the storage site must be included in exclusion as well.
And what are the additional precaution steps to avoid weevils?
During the operation of the storage site, regular cleaning is a prime activity in order to prevent weevils to find their place. Thereby, not only the storage, but again, the whole site must be kept under control. Any spill of grain and neglect corner will be an entrance for the insects. It is also important to clean, sanitize the storage after discharge and before the next load is loaded.
But isn't the incoming grain itself already affected with insects?
That is a matter of its quality and its origin. If cleaning is properly done, only eggs and larvae of the first infestation are concerned, since adults can be removed. Of course, larvae and eggs may develop and the cycle continues. However, it is the first delay which is achievable.
I guess a treatment is mandatory to keep control of the weevils.
Precaution is best, but a treatment is unavoidable. Thereby, it must be done according to the infestation level, as well as to the expected storage time. Sometimes the grain is out fast, and up to 2 months storage time, a treatment may be unnecessary. If stored longer, conditioning of the storage by low temperature will prevent the development of weevils, as shown in the picture.
So this is a way to save grains by cooling, isn't it?
Yes. Grain cooling make the weevil eggs and larvae either hibernate or at least slow down their development and limit the numbers of adults like the example shows. It is an ecological solution without the needs of chemicals as well as without development of resistance. And it is the only efficient way to protect organic products.
However, the weevils are still alive. And for a zero weevils trading standard, this is not acceptable.
You are right. Cold temperature won't kill the weevil usually. There are 2 other ways to achieve zero weevil if performed professional. Either to suffocate the weevils by technologies like hermetic storage or nitrogen atmosphere, or treat the grain by chemicals like fumigants.
Sounds simple and easy. What do you think?
The technologies are effective if applied correctly and professionally. However, the storage needs to be absolutely airtight to make them efficient. That is particularly a constraint of big storage facilities and must be checked for each loading again. In addition, you need skilled, trained, and qualified personnel if poisonous chemicals are used. The right procedure and equipment must be applied at the best condition.
That sounds like another topic in one of our next Grainchat series. Dr. Claus, it was again a very informative talk today.
Thank you very much, Klaus. We should continue to discuss the fumigation topic in our next chat.
My pleasure being here. Thank you for the Grainchat.
Dear audience, please feel free to contact us if you like to address another topic of interest or send us your comment about today's chat. Thank you.